Hi, stampers and scrappers. This is Marcia Worrell, your local close to my heart consultant here in Columbus, Georgia. I just wanted to share briefly with you. They just added a ton of items to our clearance section, and I just wanted to highlight a couple of those for you. If you go to my website and click on shop at the bottom left-hand corner at clearance, it will show you all of the items of what is currently available. Now, keep in mind, these are while supplies last, so you don't want to wait. If you have the ability to go ahead and get them, I would get everything you want now. These you see normally retail at $30.95. They are on sale for $9.50. It's the stamp set and the thin cuts. You've got the prickly pear. You've got the no worries. Oh my goodness, look, this is $6.50, and you get both, and this was a $25 value. $7.50, $10.50. This one's only $5. You cannot beat that. It was normally $22.95. You've got a couple of actual complete layout kits. Like this one, you get enough to make the layouts. You get the 2 pages, the products for all of them. You get the memory protectors. You actually get the pocket cards. So if you're a pocket scrapper, you get that as well. Oh my goodness. I mean, you cannot beat that for $3.75. And this was normally $14.95. In here, you've got a ton of compliments that are on sale. Look at these the Project Life type cards. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Pocket scrapbooking, $1.75. The compliments are $2.75. You've got a couple of albums. Those are the mini ones. You've got some embossing folders, $2.75. You've got a ton of the base and bling items if you're into making your own jewelry or like little trinkets. You've got embellishments, $2.25. Look at this. This was great for an anniversary, prom, Valentine's Day. They're flowers. You've got some Christmas items. These are kind of everyday. Halloween. You've got some fall, again, Halloween, and some everyday type stuff. These are treat bag kits. These are perfect for Halloween. These are for Christmas. Those of you that like to make things for your kids' classroom and daycare, these would be awesome. And in this one, you get enough to make 10 completed bags. So you actually get the little treat bag, you get stickers, you get the foam squares, the cello bag, everything to put it together. And so those are really, really cute. And again, that's $4.50 for 10, which is not bad at all. That makes them 45 cents a piece. You've got takeout boxes. You've got a couple albums, some more embossing folders. So those of you that have taken advantage of our Cuttlebug Hostess item, or if you already have a Cuttlebug or a Big Shot, you've got embossing folders for $2.75. Awesome deal. And these are really, really universal on what you can use them for. Dots. You've got the crutcher fold. I mean, you've got a lot of options here. You do have some more embellishments, more compliments. Again, $1.75 for these. And then if you've got some idea books. So if you're a new scrapper and you're looking for ideas on your card making and your scrapbooking pages, these are perfect right here. Great deal. I actually own these two and one of our others that's not featured here. I did go ahead and place my order, and I'll be honest with you, I'll point out a couple things I personally got. I got the Georgie compliments. I got both the Little Dreamer and the Prickly Pear. I did order this embossing folder, the quadrifoil foil. I also got, let's go back up here, about 2 of, the Prickly Pear. I couldn't beat $5. I just, I had to have that one. So I got that one, and I got the No Worries card making stamp set. And like I said, that's the stamp set and the thin cuts. An amazing deal. I also got the Cut Above Layout Kit Adventure. So funny because I had just bought this one the other day, and they dropped the price even more to $3.75. So had I waited, I would have got it a little cheaper, but that's okay. I was just happy to get it. Keep in mind, again, these are while supplies last. And also, if you are spending $50, you want to make sure you don't miss out on the Stamp of the Month. Stamp of the Month is so cute this month. It's this one. It is the Classic Summer Bash. Look how adorable is that? So you can make these cute little invitations for your different activities this summer. Or those of you that have those awesome lemonade stand photos of your kids, these would be perfect. Any type of summertime activity is so cute. But you get this whole set for $5 when you spend $50 or more, and that does include the clearance items. So that is really, really great. If you have not had a chance to look at our new items while you're here, you don't want to miss those. Our What's New. has all of our new stuff. Look at this, the Story by Stacy items. If you've not seen these are so cute. I got a chance to see them at the launch. They're adorable little 4x4 mini albums. You have some pre-printed story cards, what we call story starters, and you just kind of go from there. We have a new trimmer, perfect for cropping photos, and I'll actually do a demo on that later in the week. I do have one of the new trimmers. But those are just some of the highlights of the new items. And you've got, of course, several new stamp sets, several new embellishments, as well as paper packs. Love this beautiful friendship paper. It is so pretty. But again, I mostly just wanted to touch base on that clearance. Like I said, do not miss it. The link, here's my link, marcieva.closetomyheart.com. I will put a link in the description box below. If you decide you want to place an order, feel free to join it to the online celebration. If you don't, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I can add it later. That's not an issue. If you have any questions, again, always feel free to message me or leave a comment below. And happy scrapping. Make sure you take advantage of this sale. You don't want to miss it. Thanks so much. Have a great night. Bye.